स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम्.
Let's enter into the next sutra. Touching eyeballs as a feather, lightness between them opens into heart and there permeates the cosmos. This is the Dhyana Sutra. I can say, even in the Dhyana Sutra, very powerful technique. Dhyana Sutra for the person who has really grown in sensitivity, who is really sensitive, understand? Unfortunately, the society does not want sensitive people. It wants laborers. It wants dry intellectuals. If you are a dry intellectual, you will be paid everywhere. Professors. It wants dry people, but it does not want you to retain sensitivity in your life, because sensitive people difficult to handle. They will be free, understand? When I say sensitive, I want you to understand the meaning clearly, not weak. People think sensitive means being weak and being open to everything. No. Sensitive means being strong and being aware of everything. Not being open to everything. Being open means something like anybody can invade you, anybody can bulldoze you. No, that is not sensitivity. Actually, if you are not sensitive, anybody can bulldoze you, because you will not be sensitive, somebody is bulldozing you. Only after they enter your bedroom, you will suddenly wake up and say, oh, I think they entered my house. But they came and did their job and went away long before. A real sensitive person will be aware. Will be aware means you will know exactly what is coming, and you will know when to say yes and when to say no. Unable to say no does not mean sensitivity, that is egoistic. Understand? You may be having other way idea. No? Person who is not able to say no is egoistic. It is ego. Only egoistic idiot will not be able to say no when he can't. See, having the clarity, when I can say yes, I'll say. When I can't say yes, I'll say no. This is a clarity. This is sensitivity. You see, the person who is that sensitive will always say yes to the right thing, always will say no to the wrong thing. But the problem is, people who think themselves as sensitive, they will say no to master. Now I have seen many idiots who say no to master, they think they are sensitive, or they think they are very intelligent. No. But they will say yes to all the useless things. When I use the word sensitivity, being aware and ready to be spontaneously reacting or responding. A spontaneous person will not be closed. He will be completely sensitive and open. Here, this technique is for people who are sensitive, who are aware, who are open to respond spontaneously, who is not having a fixed, clear-cut ideas and frames, who is not working with those kind of mental frame, who is open, who is available. Let me describe the technique. Touching eyeballs as a feather, lightness between them opens into heart and there permeates the cosmos. I can say Mahadeva is powerfully putting you back to your center. During waking state, your energy, you, what you think as you, your identity will be centered on the Ajna Chakra, eyes. That is why 80% of the connection, relationship between you and the world happens through eyes. Whenever I want to tell people, be still, I'll just tell them, close your eyes. The moment they close the eyes, they automatically become still. When they come and talk to me, I can't tell, close your mouth. I just tell them, close your eyes. No, really. And I have seen automatically they close their mouth. Telling close your mouth looks very disrespectful. Feels very hurting the ego. If I just say close your eyes, without even their knowledge, they'll just close their mouth also. They'll close everything. Because the relationship happens only through eyes. Understand? Only through eyes. So, in the dream state, your identity exists in the throat center, Vishuddhi chakra. That is why, unless you relax your throat, neck, you can't fall asleep. Even lying down, keep the neck straight, you will only feel uncomfortable. And trying to fall asleep, you will never be able to fall asleep. If you relax the neck, even if you are sitting, you will be sleeping. That you know, all of you. So, that there is no need for... All our schools and universities train you how to sit and sleep. Or how to keep your eyes open and not be attentive or aware of what is going on in the front. Now really I have seen, eyes will be wide open, mouth also will be wide open, and they will be in samadhi. Really? No, because of my experience in last 5 years with people, all kinds of people, I have seen almost all possible types of sleepings. All possible variety of sleepings. And the moment you relax your neck, whatever you may be doing, you will fall asleep. You may not go to the deep sleep, but you will fall into the dream state. Because this is the area. The moment it's relaxed, it just automatically pulls, attracts your identity. Your identity will come and stay in this. In the deep sleep state, it goes to Anahata chakra.